All right, welcome back, my dear student. So we are making a good progress on our simple minimalistic website. All right, and we're going to be targeting our about page really soon and our contact page, which we're going to be using some PHP. All right, if you don't know PHP, basically PHP is used to build dynamic websites. All right, everything out there is using PHP right now. All right, is the best way to go. Now, also JavaScript. We're gonna do a little JavaScript in this course, maybe later on some future lessons. But just keep in mind that if you want to become a web designer, web developer, you need HTML, you need JavaScript, and you need PHP. And I have those courses available if you want to look at them in my profile. All right. But anyway, let's work with this real quick and let's get it going. All right. So first, I want to take the duplicate of my name here, and I want to separate this with some type of line. All right, and then I want to style this. So why don't we just start with the top, right, from top to bottom? So let's play around with that. So let's go to index, and we have this link right here. Let's just give it a class here so we can style it, and let's call it title link or link title. And for those of you that are not coding with me, I got thumbs down for you. You need to be coding if you want to get better. There's no way around it. By looking at it, you're not going to get better. You're not going to get practice. All right? Anyway, let's just make this smaller right here. So link title. And for those of you that are following me coding, great job. You're doing really awesome. This is the way to go. That means that you in the next courses, you're going to be practicing and getting better as well. So let's go to styles real quick and let's put this on top. All right, so the first thing that we want to do with that anchor tag is take the underline out. And the next thing is maybe changing the font size to 24 pixels. I like that number. Save it. Let's look at it. And the reason why it did not change is because we probably have not saved our index. As you can see right here, little circle. Save it. And then there we go. All right, that looks a lot better, right? All right, so we might want to change the color also as well of that link to something more neutral. All right, so let's go to styles real quick and let's just change that to, I don't know, what about 444 for now. There we go. All right, perfect. Let's work with the footer right now. All right, let's go to index real quick. Let's take out this duplicate of my name. We probably don't have it, but I do. Let's create a span tag right here. Let's actually give it a class as well. Separator. Hopefully I'm spelling it right. There we go. And I'm just going to put a pipe here that is located above your enter keyboard key. All right, right above the pipe, and you create that with a shift. That's a backslash. So you have the backslash, but you press shift and the backslash, and you get that pipe. Some of you probably don't have it because you have it, but you have it in another place because you have a keyboard from another country or something. So if we refresh, we can see that pipe there, but it's dark and you can barely see it. So let's style it a little bit. And all the way in the bottom here, that's fine. Close to the footer, separator. You want to keep items that are close in the index, close here in the styles as well. All right, so let's give it a color of white. And if you're doing styles with 6 characters, right, 6 word numbers, the colors, make sure that you keep that same convention all the way through your styles. You don't want to be, using different stuff. And if you see me using different stuff, disregard that. I do that because I want to show you different ways of doing it. All right, let's do font size. Let's make it small. I think 11 pixels should do it. Save it. Come back here And as you can see, that line changed a little bit there. Let's go to our index real quick, and let's just put that together a little bit. That looks a little better, right? As you can see, you can make this look really awesome. All right, now I'm gonna leave this like this for now, but on the next lecture I want to work with an image here. All right, so thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next lecture. Bye bye.